Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red line here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made, and actually a perfect example that you could throw right into a technical analysis textbook. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the video on Monday, talked about 30 cents as that area of resistance, but with the gap up this morning, so the price opened up right there. At that point, you would want to see it act as support. So during that first 30 minutes, you can see the price drop downwards. Oh, look right where it bounced from, that former area of resistance. Later on, there was this pullback here, and same exact thing. Once again, price bounced right off that 30-cent area. So a great example there, like I said, that level of resistance now acting as support. And that would be the ideal level. I mean, if you ask Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay up here above 30 cents. But it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, what would make the price look the best, or what would make the chart look the best? Definitely if the price could stay up above 30 cents. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated here. The price really started to struggle right up there around the 38-cent mark. I realized it did temporarily get up above it, but for the main part, the vast majority of the congestion was right up there around 38. So 38 cents, public enemy number one. All in all, though, past couple of days, the volume has remained very, very strong, and as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher highs and higher lows, that is the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.